Alright, this weekend's project was making a live leaderboard for the game. Power it on here. Yeah, I want to have a live leaderboard of first, second, third, and on of as people are playing the game. And I also want to have a display showing what everyone has scored, or top scores, best times, best throws, and number of games played. I got to thinking I could have a separate computer networked to access the high scores file, but even better, just have a second monitor attached. So it launches this leaderboard program that cycles every 15 seconds showing all the high scores, best times, longest throws, number of games played. Every 15 seconds it'll then switch back to the leaderboard for first, second, third, ties as well. So I'll plug in and give it a try here. Insert coin. So games is 6, and after I'm done playing this game, it should read 7. Gotta play with the sensitivity of the trackball here versus the mouse. Wow, that was missed it by a second. But games should increment to 7 now. Game 7. And if I play with the high scores file, I'll break this tie here. So if I remove AAA, just put in a bunch of dashes and hit save, that should break that tie. It broke that tie. Yeah, this leaderboard program is about 2,200 lines of C. I started implementing it with using Allegro, but I found that Allegro on a second display has issues. After about a minute, it just stops rendering. I'm not sure what's up with that, but I had ChatGPT write me just a boilerplate C program using SDL for graphics output using my TTF font. And I then retooled the Allegro version into the SDL version, and this is what I get here. The nice thing too about the SDL version is I can better tell it to render on the second display right from the program, as opposed to having to use WMCTRL to move it over, or do tool to manipulate the window over here and then start it up with the Allegro version. So the SDL version is working out pretty well. Aside from, it seems like you need to have a lot more code to do certain things with STL versus Allegro, but it is what it is.